Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss Python operators. I'm going to go over what they are, examples of operators, the different types of operators, and the most common operator. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So let's start with the question, what is an operator? Well, an operator is a symbol that performs a certain operation, hence the name operator. For example, I have two numbers, 6 and 3, and there is a plus symbol between the two numbers. Well, the plus symbol is an example of a Python operator. This operator will perform the operation of adding the two numbers together to get 9. Let's look at another example. I have two numbers, 10 and 6, but instead of the plus operator, there is an asterisk. This operator means to perform a multiplication operation. Thus, the two numbers will be multiplied together to equal 60. Now, there is a variety of operators in Python, so let's take a look at them. In Python, there are 5 main categories of operators: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, membership, and logical operators. Of course, there are more such as the bitwise and identify operators, but for the simplicity of this course, I'm not going to include those. But those are the main and most important categories of operators in Python. Now, what is the most commonly used operator in Python? Well, that would be the equal symbol. We've been using this operator throughout the entire course to create variables in Python. So this is an extremely useful and very important operator when it comes to programming. In the next following videos, I'm going to go over each category of operators and show you how to use them and how to program them in Python.